morning, everyone. I'm Sherwin Kate Polinar with the subject code MME 303 with the subject description e-commerce and internet marketing. Course BSBA Marketing Management. Our topic for today, exercise number 2. And our prof is Sir Lanas. What what is Lazada? Lazada is one of the fastest growing e-commerce marketplaces in the Philippines. Southeast Asia is an area that experiencing rapid growth in e-commerce. There are numerous cross-border vendors who wish to get into this market, and Lazada is the most effective way to do it. Lazada's innovative marketing strategies such as flash sales and live streaming events engage customers and drive traffic to the platform. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in its efficient delivery service and promote return policies, ensuring a reliable shopping experience. Lazada also supports local businesses by providing them with an online marketplace to reach a broader audience, contributing to economic growth in the region. Its integration with various payment methods, including cash on delivery, enhance accessibility for consumers, particularly in areas where digital payments adoption is still growing. So, the main objective of Lazada is to more flexible to the consumers or customers, even they are in their home. Lazada can offer door-to-door delivery. So, here are the step-by-step approach on how to earn in Lazada. Earning money on Lazada, a popular e-commerce platform is in Southeast Asia, can be done through various methods. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, become a seller on Lazada, which is the first requirement is to register as a seller. Go to Lazada Seller Center, visit Lazada Seller Center website, and sign up and click on become a seller and choose the type of seller account that suits you, individual or even corporate. Next, fill in the required information, provide necessary details such as your email address and phone numbers and other personal information. So the step 2 is to list on your products. List your product details, list your products by providing detailed descriptions, high quality image, and competitive pricing. The categories, ensure your products are listed under the correct categories to make it easier for customers to find them. Next, step 3 is to optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions to improve visibility in search results. And promotions, participate in Lazada promotion and campaigns to boost your product's exposure. Manage orders and inventory. Inventory management, keep track of your inventory to avoid stockouts. Order fulfillment, process orders promptly and ensure timely delivery to maintain customer satisfaction. Number 2, join Lazada affiliate program. So for the first step, sign up For the Lazada affiliate program, visit the affiliate page, go to the Lazada affiliate program website, then register, create an affiliate account by providing necessary information. So the step two, promote Lazada products, choose products, select products you want to promote, generate links, use the affiliate tools to create unique tracking links for the products. So for the marketing, share these links on your blog, social media, or other platforms. And for the step three, earn commission, traffic and sales, earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Monitor performance, use the affiliate dashboard to track your performance and optimize your strategies. So for the step three, participate in Lazada Live. For the step one, apply for Lazada Live. Express your interest to join Lazada Live by applying through for the step two, host live streaming session. Engage with audience by use live streaming to engage with your audience, quiz products, and offer exclusive deals. For the interactive sales, encourage during the live stream with special discounts and promotion. The step three, drive sales. Use promotion, use live streaming as a tool to boost sales and gain followers. And for the feedback, interact with customers and get immediate feedback on products. Step for the number four, leverage Lazada's sponsored solution. So for the step one, set up sponsored products like ad campaigns, create advertising campaigns for your product using Lazada sponsored. For the product future, use bidding, set bids for keywords that are relevant to products. For step two, monitor and optimize. In analytics, use the provided and analytics tools to track the performance of your ads. And adjust the strategies continuously and optimize your ads based on performance data. So here are the tips for success. High quality products. Offer high quality products to build a good reputation and encourage repeat purchases. Number two, customer service. Provide excellent customer service to foster positive reviews and ratings. Stay updated, keep up with Lazada policies and updates to make the most of new feature and opportunities by following these steps. You can effectively start and grow your business on Lazada, leveraging the platform's extensive reach and resources to maximize your earnings. To earn on Lazada, start by creating a seller account on the Lazada website or app. Register your email and phone number and very both. Set up your store by providing your business information, adding a professional store logo, and customizing your store layout. Next, list your products by clicking on products in your seller dashboard, filing on product details like title, descriptions, category, price, and stock quantity, and uploading high quality image. Optimize your listing using relevant keywords, highlighting unique selling points, and offering competitive pricing. Manage your inventory to avoid stockouts and ensure time order fulfillment while providing excellent customer service. Then promote your sponsored products, participating in campaigns and flash sales, and sharing your store on social media. Monitor your performance using analytics tools to track, identify high and low performing products, and adjust your strategy based on insights. Enhance customer experience by providing detailed product, clear image, timely communication, and hassle-free returns. Seek customers' feedback and act on it. Improve your offerings. Finally, expand your products catalog based on market demand. Explore cross-border selling and invest in better inventory management as your business grows. By following this step, you can successfully earn and grow your income in Lazada. So, all in all, is Lazada is the one of the famous store in Southeast Asia, especially in Philippines. Uh, Seller can really create an Lazada seller account by using those following steps and provide the necessary needs. Lazada is the most flexible platform for the customers to buy a specific product, and the sellers can sell all the products through online. So that's it. Thank you for listening.